Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, a basic guide to cloud service delivery models. Infrastructure as service, platform as service, and software as service are the three primary cloud delivery models. Let's check out the intro. As model providers are different level of services and control, the best model for your business will depend on your specific needs. In this video, we'll provide a basic guide to the three cloud delivery models so that you can understand the difference between them and choose the right model for your business. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. It's the most important basic cloud delivery model. With infrastructure as a service, you rent computing resources such as servers, storage, and networking from a cloud provider. You are responsible for managing and configuring these resources as needed, as well as installing and managing your own operating system and software. Infrastructure as a service is also a good option for businesses that need a high level of control over their IT infrastructure. However, it is important to note that the infrastructure as a service can be complex and time consuming to manage. Platform as a service. Platform as a service is a cloud delivery model that provides a platform for developing, deploying, and managing applications with platform as service. You do not need to worry about managing and configuring the underlying infrastructure. Instead, you can focus on developing and deploying your applications. Platform as service is a good option for businesses that want to focus on developing and deploying applications without having to worry about managing IT infrastructure. Without it is important to note that platform as service platforms can be less flexible than infrastructure as service. Software as service. Software as a service is the most complete cloud delivery model. With software as a service, you can rent software applications from a cloud provider. The cloud provider is responsible for managing and maintaining the software applications. Software as a service is good options for businesses that want to use software applications without having to worry about installing, managing, and maintaining them. However, it is important to note that software as a service applications can be less flexible and customizable than on-premises software application. That's it. If you have any confusion, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.